Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be finally announcing the giveaway winners. Before I get started, I want to say a few things. First of all, I'm so sorry for the delay. The giveaway ended several days ago and it's taken me till just now to announce the winners, and I'm so sorry about that. Second thing I want to say is thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway. Thank you so much for being a follower of mine, and thank you for following GIS Cosmetics on Facebook and Instagram. If your name is called and you are the winner, then all you have to do is contact GIS Cosmetics on Instagram and give them your shipping info so they can send your prize out to you. So I did the name drawing just a little bit different this time. Normally I would write down every name and put it in a hat, shake it up, and pull the name out of the hat. But for this giveaway, there was a lot more entries than I had expected, and I just wasn't ready to sit there and write every name down individually, so I chose a different method. I got online and looked up some YouTube giveaway winner generator type thing, and I actually recorded this, so I'm gonna be putting that clip in here next after I'm done yapping my jaws, and then you'll find out who the winner is. Also, try to refrain from commenting in the comments, "Congratulations, winner's name here," because I think it's super fun when people get to watch the video and hear their name. Once again, thanks to everyone for entering into this giveaway. Thank you GIS Cosmetics for hosting this giveaway. If you didn't win this time, no worries, there will be more giveaways in the future. Okay y'all, so I'm going to pull up the makeup giveaway video. Let's see. I'm gonna try out this new thing. Normally I draw names from a hat, but there was a lot of entries, so that's a lot of writing for me. So I'm gonna try this. It's called a YouTube random comment picker. It says random winner generator for comments of a YouTube giveaway or contest. It says here to start by entering the YouTube URL in the text field. So I'm going to paste the URL there. And I have this clicked. It says filter duplicate users because it's just one person per entry. Okay, so click the orange, search it, okay. Start the raffle and pick a random winner. Click the pick winner button to pick an extra winner. Okay, I'll do that because there's two winners, two prizes. Alright, I'm gonna click start. And the first winner is Ashley Phillips. Her comment, she said, "This would be awesome to win. I followed and liked them. I've never heard of them before now. By the way, your makeup looks perfect." So congratulations, Ashley Phillips. And the second winner is who's it gonna be? Amanda Marie. She says, "I followed and liked. I would love to enter it." So congratulations to the two winners of the GIS Cosmetics. I'm so happy for you guys. I hope you love your prizes. This is kind of interesting. Might try this again sometime. That was kind of a lot easier than having to write down so many names. I'm going to save this in my favorites. I'll use that again. And yeah, so congratulations, girls. So congratulations to the winners. Don't forget to contact GIS Cosmetics on their Instagram. Give them your shipping info so they can send your prize out to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye!